Hello, Gramps here. It's week 4. Actually, it's been 31 days total. And I got on the scales this morning, and the number was 18.2 pounds down. So it's been continuously down, but it has not maintained the earlier pace, which is a little over half pound a day. So that's not bad. It hasn't been linear. I bounce up a couple pounds and then may drop 2 or 3 pounds in a day. So it varies. But the overall trend is down, so that's good. What I'm doing, in case you haven't seen the earlier videos, what I'm doing is I'm doing green smoothies, and I'm actually doing them with microgreens. And I guess I shouldn't assume that everybody knows what microgreens are. Microgreens are basically vegetables that have been grown to the point where just past sprouting. They're different than sprouts in that you only eat the plant portion of it. You cut it from the root and life. But the first 2 leaves that have come out are just like sprouts, and right after that, just as you get the first true leaves coming out, which will be the additional leaf after the first 2, that's when I harvest. And I don't have anything ready to harvest right now. I might try and throw a photo in here of one of my harvests, and I'll show you that. But basically, I'm growing in 10 by 20 trays hydroponically. I won't get into the method because it's kind of a proprietary method, and Brent Montgomery is who came up with the method, and you can look him up on YouTube and follow him as well to see how they're grown. But it's probably not the simplest method of growing microgreens, but it was the method that I decided that I wanted to go with. I didn't want to mess with the dirt or cocoa coir or anything like that. I wanted to do it hydroponically, and I bought his book a year or so ago, and I've just since I started this journey, I've put together the rack and actually started growing in that method. Like I said, I'll stick a photo in here so you can see. But the reason I'm doing the microgreens is that nutrient content is anywhere from 5 to 40 times as dense as in the full-size vegetable, and so I'm getting a lot more vitamins and micronutrients, antioxidants and the like than I would using full-size vegetables for my microgreens. The flavor also tends to be a little bit more mild, so there's it makes the smoothie blend a whole lot better without any strong vegetable taste to it. But anyway, just to that's what I'm doing, and this is week 4, and it's working. Please like and subscribe, and leave me a comment, and please follow me on this journey. Thank you, and bye.